Hello, this is Danielle, and I'll be talking about my weather app. So, here is the first part on React, showing that I watched all the videos and went through all the course material for this app. Here we move on to the code and the simulator itself. So, right now I just have it on my hometown, and basically, if you can see, I've been running into a little bit of a problem with um, these numbers, and it's the year, and I'm not sure why it's popping up like that. I tried playing around with the code a little bit, but I didn't have any luck, and so I'm hoping that I'm able to get some help on that in class next time. I was doing this part a little bit later on the night on Sunday, and so I wasn't able to send it in the Slack. But that is the issue I did run into. So basically, I'll just show you a few different things. So if I do 91740, that brings us to Glendora, and it comes out with 67 degrees Fahrenheit. It changes it to, or it shows the humidity, the low and the high, and then it shows the forecast for the next week, and then this little symbol. So basically, I'll start off from here. So we have the weather API.js, and so Spencer Carley kind of had us make this separate file so that it could organize all of our API related stuff. And so it has the link right here, and it has our API key just so that when we change information within the API, we only have to change it one location. And then it also shows the latitude and the longitude of what you'd get if you type in like a specific zip code, so then it can basically translate it for you. Here is the search.js, and so here you can see it has the Franklin and Mountain View, which is actually right here. If you go into the search engine part of it, it has Franklin and Mountain View kind of in the recent search area, which it also shows up here, kind of shows the add recent search as well. And just some styling difference. Sorry about that. Different styling for this page. If you move into the details.js, basically this is everything that's kind of controlling the app, so there's a lot to it. So there's the temperature max, the temperature min, which is basically just like the low and the high, and it formats everything for you. It loads the current weather, the forecast, and basically it asks you for permission to get all that information to see like your current location. And then further on, if you were to type in a zip code that really isn't a zip code, it would come up with the error that there's no location data found, to try again. I know a couple times I was trying to type in random zip codes and that kept popping up, and so that's basically that's for. And then if you move further down, here's more about the humidity, the low and the high. And here's some more formatting styles for like, this is for where the date is. And so I thought if I play with that a little bit, I'd be able to fix this issue, but I wasn't. So I'm not really quite sure why that's happening. I talked to a couple other people in the class and they were having the same issue. Here in the package.json, we actually had to change this file completely. Dr. Grissom ended up sending us one that we were able to replace it with because there was a lot of packages that were either too new or outdated, or basically something that was causing issues with the modules, and it wasn't able to recognize the React navigation. And so I'm pretty sure a lot of other people in the class had issues with that too, and so I was very thankful when he was able to send a package.json that we could replace it with. And then here in the index.js, it's basically all of the styling just for the page itself. And so the background color being this like dark blue purple, this line right here, and then above it having this search symbol and like the city name, having this line up here that has your carrier, the time, the battery, and basically everything with like the background of it. So basically that covers all of the code and the app. Thank you.